Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm trying to fix the light. Okay, I'm sorry if the lights go in and out. Like, if you see that window behind me, I would do it a little, but I have my garden and stuff, my little seedling for my garden in the window, and plus I don't have nowhere to put it in, the window. So trying to do best I can, but today I am trying a sweet taste test. I only got two things. I'm trying the peeps about dropped it cotton candy flavoring, which I like the normal ones, but the cotton candy ones, I bet it's gonna be good. And a coconut, like coconut candy type thing. I got this at, I think I bought this at the Dollar Tree, I think. I'm not too sure where I bought it, and I bought this at Big Lots. Let's see. Ooh, it smells like coconut, which says real coconut, and like strawberry. So I guess that's strawberry too. It's, chewy. It's got a coconut flavor to it and not strawberry. Yeah, it's got like, as you can see, like little things like sugar. See? Like sugar on it. But the texture, it's good. It's not like how stuff is like funny taste, like artificial. It don't taste like that. It's got a good texture to it, at least I think. And yeah. And it's like chewy, but not too chewy. Yeah, it's not too chewy. But we're trying the little peeps marshmallow next, which I like marshmallows, especially on a fire, like when it starts getting a little cold, like in October, put on fire. Oh my gosh, roast some marshmallows. It's got a little hint of cotton candy smell to it, but the smell's not too strong. And you can see it's got like sugar on my hands. That's what it looks like. Ain't it so cute? Okay, this is good. I guess it's for Easter. But if you go see them like in Walmart, Dollar General, or Dollar Tree, pick some up and let me know what you think about it. That's what it looks like. So you can see. This is delicious. I like it. Which I like marshmallow too. Try marshmallow like fluff. That's what it's called, marshmallow fluff. On ice cream, that's the best too. Okay, that was the marshmallow cotton candy. That was delicious. Like, the cotton candy flavoring, it didn't taste artificial or anything. It wasn't too strong like some stuff. It's too strong. It was in between. Like, it wasn't too strong or too, like, where you can't taste it, but it's a good flavor. So I would recommend the cotton candy, like, peeps thing, and the coconut candy. Ooh, it about came out of the packet. But yeah, that's very delicious. Yes, very delicious. So pick it up if you see it. Let me know in the comments below if you like peeps and if you try the cotton candy ones or that coconut candy thing I tasted. If let me know if you like coconut. Let me know if you like sweets or you can, you don't like sweets. Let me know in the comments. That's gonna be the end of this video. I will see you guys next time. Oh, before I leave, I've been thinking a lot. I'm going to be doing a series coming up, but I'm not going to tell you what it is. It's going to be a surprise, which I don't know, like, when it's going to be coming out. That's another thing. I don't know when, but it's a series coming. I'm going to work on and be on the lookout for that. Subscribe if you want to see my series. Hit the bell so you get notified every time I make new videos. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.